This is where giants are born. The Boeing Everett factory.
Inside the largest building on Earth, something extraordinary happens every day.
But before a single rivet is placed, the world has already been at work. Over 900 supply.
Carbon fiber wing panels being loaded onto a Dreamlifter cargo plane in Japan. Aluminum fuselages. By sea, by rail, by air, tinted. These components travel thousands of miles.
You. Every crate that enters this facility is tracked, logged, and inspected. Nothing ends. Perfection is not a goal here, it is the starting point. A flaw invisible to the human eye is still a flaw.
The factory floor is a city of its own. Every movement has meaning. The choreography of assembly is
A digital countdown board on the wall reads 777 production line, next Emirates unit.
It starts with an empty jig and a loaded plan. The global supply chain has delivered. Now, the real work.
The journey of every Boeing 7 begins not with a fuselage, but a sparge.
Watch closely. Each hole is drilled to a tolerance of thousandths of an inch. Each fastener is torqued to an exact specification.
Behind every automated process stands a human expert. Technology and craftsmanship are not rivals here.
The completed wing spar, now gleaming with fasteners, is lifted by crane. It moves slowly, majestically toward the wing assembly bay.
Stronger than steel, lighter than aluminum. The same material that powers Formula One cars, now
a completed 777 wing is a thing of beauty. Swept, elegant, engineered.
Every single fastener is a promise that this wing will hold, no matter the turbulence, no matter the storm.
Check the linkage right here, make sure it's fully secured.
Verified. All tolerances are within spec. Good to go.
The wings are ready. Ahead lies the final assembly line, the beating heart of the factory, where an aircraft Laser guidance systems project beams between the sections. Alignment is measured to the micron.
Contact. The nose meets the body. In seconds, these two pieces, built in
Attention. The tail section joins last. When it locks, the aircraft silhouette is finally recognizable. The Boeing 7
The aircraft's nervous system is being laid. Miles of wiring, enough to stretch from Everett to Seattle and back. The wings have arrived. Now comes one of the most dramatic moments in aircraft assembly, mating the wings to the body.
The first wing is lifted. It hovers beside the fuselage, millimeters away from attachment.
The wing slides into its mounting points on the fuselage. Massive bolts, each the size of a forearm, are driven in.
A digital torque wrench beeps when the exact specification is reached. Every bolt is torqued to a precise value. Not 1 Newton more, not 1 Newton less.
For a 777X model destined for Emirates, the unique folding wingtip mechanism is installed. The hinged section folds up and down for testing.
Fold up for the gate. Fold down for the sky. Simple in concept, extraordinarily complex in execution. The landing gear, massive, complex assemblies of struts, wheels, and hydraulics, is rolled into position.
Extension, retraction, tested again and again. Because when an Emirates 777 touches down in Dubai,
the tail fin, tall as a 5-story building, is installed. The distinctive Boeing 777 soaring
It is no longer a collection of parts. It is a Boeing 777.
They have built something magnificent, but their work is far from done. Inside, the aircraft is still hollow.
It is hollow now, a cavern of aluminum and potential. But over the coming days, this space will...
Workers begin installing interior panels. Overheads are lifted to recognizable shape. Hydraulic lines are connected throughout the aircraft. A technician tests pressure levels at a manifold. Gauges hold
Helical surfaces, elevators, and rudder are tested.
The cockpit takes shape. Instrument panels are installed.
The auxiliary power unit, a small jet engine in the tail, is installed. It will power the aircraft when the main engines are off.
A worker installs the Emirates specification avionics package. Customized software, specific...
The environmental control system ducting is installed. Massive air circulation pipes run the length of the cabin. Air.
Safety systems are never an afterthought. Every mask,
Every light, every time.
Economy class first. Hundreds of seats in neat formation.
the seats arrive. Economy class, hundreds of them.
Each business class follows, wider, more private, a sanctuary above the clouds. Emirates' reputation for luxury is built on details like these.
A private door, a personal minibar, a seat that converts to a fully flat bed.
Emirates' award-winning ICE system. Thousands of channels of entertainment, all at the touch of a fingertip. Entertainment without limits.
Kitchens at 40,000 feet, where chefs prepare meals worthy of a fine restaurant. Lavatories are installed, compact but elegant. Touchless faucets, ambient lighting.
The fully furnished cabin is complete. The camera walks through from economy to first class. Soft lighting glows. It looks ready for passengers.
All clear assembly. Maintain speed and proceed to the paint hangar.
A pinhole in the primer today becomes a corrosion problem years from now. Nothing escapes their scrutiny.
The base white coat is applied.
Done by hand, guided by lasers. The lines must be perfect because the stripe that defines Emirates.
The metallic gold stripe is sprayed. The paint contains real metallic flakes that catch the light brilliantly. The tail receives the UAE flag colors, green, white, black, and the vertical red stripe. Painters work with surgical precision.
Emirates. Bold. Gold. Unmistakable.
The full livery is revealed for the first time. The aircraft is stunning. Workers step back to admire. It is unmistakably Emirates.
The paint is dry, but this aircraft story is just beginning. Ahead.
Systems integration looks good on the main console.
We just finished the final audit on the fuselage panels, all green.
All right, let's sign off on section 4.
Starting APU sequence now.
Clear.
Okay, bringing the screens online. We have full green across the board.
The massive GE90 or GE9X engines are started for the first time on this aircraft. The fan blades...
Braking sequence initiated. That felt solid.
Agreed. First phase complete.
Checklist, page 75, items 71 through 80.
Verified.
Controls free and correct.
Checked.
Trust earned.
Not given.
This is the moment, the first flight. Everything this factory has done leads to this. Full power. The moment of truth.
The aircraft rotates, nose lifts, main gear leaves the ground. It climbs gracefully into the sky.
Rotation.
The wheels leave the earth. Every data point confirms what the engineers knew. This machine is ready. Tested in flight. Proven at altitude. Touchdown. Smooth, controlled, perfect.
The aircraft has proven itself in the one environment that
Everything is clean. The aircraft is cleared for delivery.
All clear. This Emirates 777 is ready for delivery.
This aircraft now belongs to its new owners.
Signed.
Delivered. Emirates' newest flagship.
Good morning. Is the cabin secured?
Yes, Captain. Welcome aboard.
The aircraft takes off from Payne Field, heading east. The Boeing factory shrinks in the background.
The aircraft in service, landing in Dubai, taxiing past the Emirates terminal, flying over desert and ocean.
In service.
This is the story of an Emirates Boeing 777. From 3 million parts to one soaring dream.
Warning and disclaimer. Education purpose. This video is created solely for education and information purpose. Content notice all visual scenes and content are conceptual creations and artistic interactions based on public available information, news reports, and open source intelligence. Important notes: no classified, secret, or restricted information has been used in the production of this video. All sources used are publicly available and credible. Disclaimer: this video does not represent actual footage from any real facility, event, or location. Any resemblance to real persons, organizations, or places is purely coincidental. Viewer discretion is advised. We do not promote or encourage any kind of violence, harm, or illegal activities. This content is intended to inform, educate, and raise awareness.